Ever found yourself puzzled by a dream about a car repair shop? Do you ponder over the significance of such images appearing in your subconscious? Dreams, often shrouded in mystery, can be a medium for our subconscious to convey vital messages. Stick around as we delve into this interesting subject. And don't forget to check our video description for bonus content. Now, it's time to explore some of the negative interpretations of car repair shop dreams. Imagine your mind as a complex engine, with thoughts, emotions, and memories interlocking like gears and pistons. When you dream of a car repair shop, it might be your subconscious hinting at underlying anxieties about your life's mechanics. Are things running smoothly? Are all your parts functioning as they should? A car repair shop can symbolize the inner workings of your life and any worries you may have about their operation. Often, this type of dream can suggest feelings of inadequacy or the need to fix something about yourself or your current situation. It portrays a space where things are mended, adjusted, and improved. If you find yourself in this setting within your dreams, it could be an indication that you feel something in your life is broken or out of sync and needs attention. Moreover, the setting of a car repair shop could symbolize upcoming obstacles or setbacks. Just like a car that breaks down and needs repair, you may encounter challenges that will require effort and strategic planning to overcome. This dream could be preparing you for these hurdles, reminding you that you possess the tools to navigate through them. In some cases, a car repair shop in dreams can signify unresolved issues from the past that are resurfacing. Perhaps there are aspects of your life that you've left unattended, problems you've overlooked or ignored. Like a car left to rust, these issues might be coming back into focus, necessitating your attention and resolution. These interpretations might seem a bit heavy, but remember, dreams are a complex tapestry of our subconscious, woven with threads of our fears, hopes, and experiences. They can hint at our deepest anxieties, but they also provide an opportunity for self-reflection and growth. While these interpretations might seem a little daunting, remember, dreams are complex and can have multiple meanings. Let's not dwell only on the negatives. Car repair shop dreams can also have positive interpretations. In the realm of dream symbolism, a car repair shop can be a beacon of self-improvement and growth. It's a sign that you're not just standing idle, but actively seeking to better yourself. Imagine you're in the driver's seat of your own life, and you've just pulled into a service station. This is your chance to refuel, fine-tune, and get back on the road, stronger and more capable than before. Moreover, the image of a car repair shop in your dreams may suggest you are taking proactive steps to address challenges and improve your life circumstances. It's a testament to your readiness to tackle problems head-on, to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty, metaphorically speaking. It's an affirmation of your resilience and determination, signaling that you're not one to back down when the road gets a little bumpy. But what about the other people in the repair shop? The mechanics, the other customers, even the shop owner. These characters can represent the help and support available to you in your waking life. They're the ones who lend you a tool when you're in a pinch, offer advice when you're unsure, or simply provide a listening ear when you need to vent. They highlight the value of teamwork and collaboration in problem solving, reminding you that you're not alone on this journey. Lastly, in a more spiritual sense, a car repair shop dream could reflect positive transformation. Like a vehicle in need of a tune-up, you may be undergoing a period of renewal and rejuvenation. The old parts are being replaced. The engine is being reconditioned, paving the way for a smoother, more efficient ride. It's a sign that you're shedding your old self and emerging anew, stronger, and more resilient. As you see, the same dream can also hold positive messages, showcasing the multifaceted nature of dream interpretation. Dreams are a rich source of insight into our subconscious. Interpreting them can offer a unique perspective on our lives. If you're enjoying these explorations, do like, share, and subscribe. We would love to hear about your own dream experiences in the comments. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the realm of dreams. Remember, every dream is a step towards self-discovery. Until next time, sweet dreams.